Welcome to Illuminati Silver. We tell you the truth about silver. Today is Sunday the 5th of November 2017 and we're providing our gold and silver weekly update for the week ending the 3rd of November. It's bonfire night in the UK and so you may hear fireworks in the background. Gold fell $3 last week from $1,273 to $1,270. Having hit a high of 1,283 and a low of 1,266. In sterling terms, gold finished the week at £971. That's up £2. And in euros, it closed at 1,093 euros. That's down €3 on the week. Silver fell 1 cent, from $16.86 to $16.85. Having hit a high of 17.22 and a low of 16.66. In sterling terms, it closed at £12.89. That's up 4 pence for the week. And in euros, it closed at 14.51 euros. That's down 0.01 euros. The gold to silver ratio fell slightly from 75.50 to 1 to 75.37 to 1. The Dow Jones closed on Friday at 23,539, up 22 points on the day and up 105 points on the week. And the NASDAQ closed at 6,764, up 49 points on the day and up 63 points on the week. Brent crude rose $1.36 from $60.71 to $62.07, and US light crude rose $1.57 from $54.07 to $55.64. The dollar index stands at 94.94. That's up 0.04 on the week. Last week we warned do not get too excited about gold and silver prices. And last week we saw very small movements both upwards and downwards in both metals, ending the week marginally down in dollar terms and marginally up in sterling terms. There were quite a few announcements which could have affected prices. The indictment of Manafort on Monday, the release of the Republican tax reform plans, the Fed hinting at a possible rise in interest rates for December, interest rates actually going up in the United Kingdom by 0.25%, and the poor US job figures announced on Friday, showing non-farm payrolls coming in at 261,000 jobs, compared with an estimated 312,000. All of which moved markets very little. What we did witness was a further strengthening in the price of oil, a continuing increase in stock market indices, and a small but continuing firming of the US dollar. This coming week is likely to see little change yet again, unless geopolitical tensions increase, especially President Trump's warnings against North Korea. Our intelligence has also advised us that Mueller has registered between 12 to 14 indictments concerning the Russian collusion scandal and associated alleged crimes, and these will be gradually released over the coming weeks. We shall see if our intelligence proves accurate and what, if any, effect they have on the markets, the dollar, and of course the price of gold and silver. We are beginning to look at platinum again and believe there may be a move in the price of this commodity in coming months. It's down $72 an ounce during the past 12 months, down $262 the past 3 years, and down $645 the past 5 years. We have always stated that it's a buy below $900 and it's been simmering a little above that level recently. We shall give our thoughts on this in another video during the coming weeks. We still have plenty of time to decide, but we do see a break in price during the next 6 months, and we will reveal in which direction. We hope you have found this video interesting and informative, and if so, please give it a thumb up and share it on Twitter. Also kindly visit our website at illuminatisilver.com, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe as a free member for regular email updates and offers. Our Facebook page, which is updated regularly, can be found at facebook.com/Illuminati Silver. Disclaimer: Illuminati silver owners come from a background of banking, international wealth management, and economics. Having now retired from these worlds, we are not qualified to give investment advice. Therefore, this and other productions must not be deemed to be giving such advice, and merely represent the personal views of its owners.